Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.